The ingredients for this mama recipe are onion, pepper, maggi, ginger, egg, crayfish, and have another pepper. So I'll go ahead and add all of them inside the blender. This mama was just early morning making. You know, you wake up early morning, you don't know what you want to make, and you go in your freezer, you see some leaves. They are not enough to make a normal mama. So I decided to make mini pan my yeah, with 5 leaves that I have, I was able to achieve those you saw in the intro of this video. So if you don't have a love oma leaf, this is how you can do it, and believe me, the taste will still be very good. So instead of you using fish, I am using sardine. You can also use any protein of your choice for this recipe. It is all welcome. So I'll be using 2 of the sardine can in there. I will just pour them inside the moi moi. Next, I will go ahead with red oil. You can add palm oil, olive oil. You can add sunflower oil, ranging from what type of oil you want to add. So the next thing is to rinse the blender. We don't want to waste anything here. Stir very well to combine. You want to do this because you don't want your mama to be different type of color. You want it to be uniformly the same color. At this point, everything is looking good. I'll go ahead and test for salt, and if there is any need, I'll add just as I'm doing, adding little. This is the 5 oma leaf that I have. No matter how small or little you may cut this oma leaf, once it enters inside that your muffin baking pan, is just enough. Remember, we are looking for the taste of this mama to be the same as the full uma wrap one. So this is how you can manage it. I'm going to be cutting it, in fact, anyhow, so far it enters inside there. And remember to remove those stick parts because they will make it difficult for you to fix it in your pan. So after cutting them very well, I will go ahead and bring out my pan, and this is the muffin baking pan that I'm using. I've already rubbed oil under it. I don't know for what, but I always like to take the safer side. I'll just go ahead and be cutting and joining and fixing it in there. It was fun, and when the kids saw this moi moi, even my husband, he was like, whoa, what type of moi moi is this? Once he pick one, just hold one, he will throw it inside his mouth. We enjoyed it with pap that morning, but it was fun. I was able to do something very fun and well appetizing. Yeah, because when it came out, it looked like muffin, but it is not. Well, by the way, so I'll go ahead and do the same thing. But for this also, if you have this foil cup, you can as well use it. It will be very easy. Just throw the oma leaf inside it like this, and you are just doing it very easy. It is very easy, but I don't want to use it. I want to have it the same uniform. I didn't want to use some with foil and some inside the muffin pan. So I will go ahead and remove them and pour the my mixture inside the pan. The reason why it's getting up is because I've not dropped anything in them. Once you drop something in them, they will just sit down one place and respect themselves. All right. Welcome back to Oma's Test. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for stay watching. I so much appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I have so many new friends here, so many subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. If there is any video you want me to bring up here, just let me know, and if I can do it, I'll present it. So the rest of the oma leaf, I will go ahead and use it and cover it all like this. Don't drop it like that directly in the oven because it will just shrimp once the oven heat it up. That is the first thing I did. Immediately my human sense told me cover it with foil, and I bring it out and covered it with foil. So the remaining 2 oma leaf, remember our mama is not finished. I'm making use of 2 cups of beans. I'll just go ahead and pour it inside this my small pot, 1-man shop pot, and pour the rest. Cover the oma leaf. It is not really covering. The same thing that I did to the other one is what I will do here. I will use foil paper, which is the authentic way to prevent this leaf from shrimping. I will use it and cover it very well. Yes, cover it and set them in the oven. And that is it. Your breakfast is getting ready. Just go ahead and put your water in the gas for making the pap. Yeah, just like this. And it is well covered. Yeah. And after some few minutes, this is how our mama is looking. I've just bring them out of the oven. Yeah, this is it. I just want to show you how it came out. This is how it came out, and it's looking so nice. Hadn't been I did not cover it with foil. Hey, whoa, all those things would have shrimped long time ago. So let me bring them out. This is how they are coming out. They are so nice. Those things that boiled out of the leaf is what is telling you that you cooked with uma leaf. Yes. And here the big one is out of the oven and it's also well cooked. Everything came out very nice. Just look at them. Yes, it's amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Let me know what you think about this method, how to manage your uma leaf to make more for the family. If you truly enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family if you can. Enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.